Israeli jets struck Isfahan before dawn. An airstrike confirmed by the Flashpoint Intelligence Monitoring Group hit the Iran Electronics Industries facility in Isfahan, a Defense Ministry subsidiary operating under the Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces Logistics, designated by the United States Treasury and sanctioned by the European Union for its role in Iran's weapons development programs. Separately, Israeli jets struck Isfahan International Airport on March 8th, destroying several of Iran's remaining F-14 Tomcat fighter jets and neutralizing air defense systems at the facility. Geolocated footage of explosions across Isfahan circulated on Iranian social media channels before Iranian state media acknowledged the strikes. Here is what the Iran Electronics Industries facility is, why Isfahan has been a consistent target across all 10 days of the conflict, what the confirmed destruction means for Iran's weapons program, and what the CSIS assessment of the campaign's current phase now confirms. Iran Electronics Industries, IEI, is not a factory that makes consumer electronics. It is a defense ministry entity with confirmed involvement in the development and production of electro-optical systems, sensors and targeting components used across Iran's weapons platform inventory. The US Treasury designated it under Executive Order 13,382 for its role in Iran's proliferation of weapons of mass destruction and their means of delivery. One of its confirmed subsidiaries is Electro-Optic Siren Industries, designated by the US Treasury in October 2023, specifically for contributing to the development of Shahed series unmanned aerial vehicles for Iran's Shahed Aviation Industries Research Center. The Treasury designation confirmed that Electro-Optic Siren procured optical gratings, reflecting beam expanders and mounted lens arrays, the components that give Iran's drones and guided missiles their targeting and navigation precision. When the IEI facility in Isfahan is struck, those are the kinds of systems inside it. Isfahan is Iran's most strategically significant single city outside Tehran for defense production. It hosts ballistic missile research infrastructure, drone manufacturing plants, precision optics production, and nuclear adjacent facilities. It was struck in the opening wave of Operation Epic Fury on February 28th alongside Tehran, Qom, Karaj and Kermanshah. It was struck again on March 2nd when witnesses reported massive plumes of smoke and widespread power outages near the city's strategic industrial zone. It was struck on March 8th when Israeli jets destroyed F-14 at the airport, and it was struck again before dawn on March 9th. Isfahan is not being hit opportunistically. It is being hit systematically and repeatedly because it concentrates Iran's defense industrial base into a single geographic footprint that the campaign has targeted with confirmed consistency across all 10 days. The CSIS analysis published this week confirmed what the Isfahan strike pattern reflects about the campaign's current objectives. Operation Midnight Hammer in June 2025 already decimated Iran's enrichment facilities at Fordow and Natanz and destroyed Iran's metallurgy facilities at Isfahan. The current campaign has shifted toward neutralizing Iran's peripheral defense capabilities, targeting administrative hubs, dual-use scientific research facilities, missile production sites, and the industrial infrastructure that sustains Iran's offensive capacity. The CSIS assessment confirmed the current wave of strikes indicates a shift toward what it described as neutralizing Iran's peripheral nuclear capabilities, alongside confirmed conventional military production targets. The IEI facility in Isfahan sits precisely at the intersection of both categories. It is a conventional weapons producer with confirmed connections to the drone program that is currently Iran's primary offensive instrument against Gulf states, and it operates under the same defense ministry architecture that manages Iran's nuclear adjacent programs. The confirmed scale of the broader campaign on day 10 provides the context for what the Isfahan strikes represent represent within it. The IDF confirmed from the beginning of the campaign through March 3rd that Israeli forces had neutralized approximately 300 Iranian missile launchers and dropped around 4,000 munitions across Iran in continuous strike waves. CENTCOM confirmed the combined US-Israeli campaign has struck over 1,700 confirmed targets since February 28th. The pace, approximately 170 confirmed targets per day across 10 days, is consistent with a campaign designed not just to destroy existing military hardware, but to systematically eliminate the production capacity, the supply chains, and the command infrastructure that would allow Iran to regenerate what the strikes have taken. The Isfahan IEI facility is the confirmed supply chain target. The airport F-14 destruction is the confirmed Air Force attrition target, both in the same city, both confirmed before Monday morning was over. The strategic logic connecting the Isfahan strikes to the broader interceptor and drone race now confirmed as the war's central military contest is direct. Iran's shift from ballistic missiles to drones as its primary Gulf weapon, confirmed by the Critical Threats Project after the IDF destroyed 300 missile launchers, means the industrial base producing and sustaining the drone campaign has become more operationally significant, not less, as the war has progressed. Striking the facility confirmed as contributing optical and targeting components to Iran's Shahed drone program does not eliminate Iran's existing drone stockpile. Iran still held an estimated 2,500 projectiles as of March 1st. What the Isfahan strikes attack is the replenishment rate, the pace at which Iran can replace consumed drones, repair guidance systems, and sustain the volume of launches the IRGC committed to when it announced Wave 29 on Monday morning. That commitment and the strike on the facility designed to sustain it are both confirmed facts of the same Monday. Both are still in motion,